I just saw, sorry y'all, I was been talking to my dad. Oh, there goes Diggum. It's hitting where I'm at, where I made a video at. My dad's in my next place. I'm at my mama's right now. Maybe noticing what it looks like here. This thing is close. I saw a light. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just saw that. Like, boom. I think in a minute we need to go inside because that's getting closer. Well, I'll try to find one more. See, I'm doing it on my phone this time, so maybe you know. See, oh yeah, that looks. Yeah. Uh-oh. Trying to keep my. You know what? I'm gonna move right here. Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh boy, yeah. Oh yeah. I think Daddy, you're right. This thing's about to come. Crap, man. My mom's about to come out.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's raining where my dad is right now. I was like, lightning's getting close and kind of get a capture of the lightning struck. Like I usually do in most videos. Man, it's getting closer, dude. Where I'm at down there, Rich,
Yeah.
down there, that is where my dad's getting hit right now.
Yeah.
I called him. He says they're getting hit right now. Yeah, right here, man, you're about to go see a lightning strike. Like, whoa. But the thunders ain't too loud over here. Alright, I'm trying to get the capture of the lightning strike.
Oh, wow.
That is big. That is coming towards our way. I'm just letting you know that. I can tell.
Oh, check that out.
Oh, I think I got it. Uh-oh. Y'all better watch out. There's like a bee right there. Behind your leg, Rich.
There's a bee?
Wasp. It just went under the seat. I'm sitting there.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to capture right here.
Go down here right now. That's so pretty.
Wow.
That is... Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, man. I am tired of these freaking phone calls. While I'm making the video. I am tired of it. I'm trying to get a lightning strike.
Oh, yeah, that's coming down like crazy. I mean, you probably can't look at 20 feet. You probably can't look at it coming down so hard. Microbursts like that. That's right out of the airport, too, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, they said they're getting hit right now.
Yeah. They call them microbursts. Their whole sky just falls out.
I'm trying to capture this beautiful weather.
That's what I'm doing right
Isn't it?
I'm even gonna buy me a gigabyte card. If I ever get me an Amazon card, I'm gonna get me a 5 gigabyte. Get me a 32 gigabyte for LG phones. So that I can put this daggum guy in there. I'm tired of my freaking storage. Works my tablet. I want it to work for LG. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, that is. I can see daggum wind down there.
Yeah.
You think we're gonna get hit?